Welcome to Auto Insider Hub. Imagine a car that doesn't just turn heads, it turns the entire street into a red carpet. This is no ordinary vehicle. It's the kind of machine that makes even the most elite drivers question their definition of luxury. The 2025 Maybach SL Mythos Limousine concept is a rolling monument to power, elegance, and absolute exclusivity. Its exterior doesn't just look good, it commands attention. The design feels like the future kissing the past, blending timeless sophistication with an edgy, almost cinematic presence. The body lines flow like liquid metal, and the gleaming trim details glint like jewelry in motion. Every angle feels deliberate, every curve sculpted with purpose. The wheels resemble handcrafted emblems, and the front grille looms like a vault door, daring you to enter a world few can afford to see. Slide into the cabin and reality changes. The interior is a sanctuary of tailored luxury. Smooth, rich materials cover every inch, from the soft touch panels to the precisely contoured seats. Subtle lighting pulses through the cabin like a heartbeat. Touch screens shimmer with AI-driven intelligence, and even the air feels filtered through refinement. There's a chilled compartment cradling crystal glasses and a sense that time slows down once the door is closed. Beneath the surface, the engine tells another story. A twin-turbocharged V12 lives under the hood, delivering a surge of power that's equal parts elegance and aggression. 820 horsepower pushes this behemoth from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in just over 3 seconds. It moves like a predator, but rides like a whisper. You're not just driving, you're gliding over the world. This isn't a car built for traffic. It's a statement on wheels, designed to eclipse anything parked beside it. Competitors like the Flying Spur, the Ghost Extended, or even the sleekest EVs struggle to match its blend of tradition and innovation. It's not just about performance or tech, it's about presence. Owning one, that's a different league. Price tags soar well above the $500,000 mark, and keeping it in prime shape takes specialized care. But this car isn't for the average collector. It's for those who collect moments, who want their vehicle to reflect their story. And speaking of stories, there's word that each model will include a personalized digital memoir, embedded within the car's interface, chronicling the life of its owner. Driving the Mythos is like commanding a legend. You feel the luxury, you hear the power, and everywhere you go, the world watches.